If you're planning to travel internationally, the Internet on the Go eSIM might seem like an attractive option, but before you hit that purchase button, there are a few things you should know. This guide will help you navigate the features, advantages, and limitations of the eSIM, especially when comparing it to alternatives. First thing, the Internet on the Go eSIM offers a truly global reach, covering over 100 countries. That's a major perk, as many other eSIM providers can't match this level of international coverage. You won't have to worry about switching SIM cards when hopping between destinations. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. While it's generally competitive with other eSIM providers, there are some hidden costs. Many services charge extra for data packages that you might not need, so always double-check the cost breakdown before buying. A lot of competitors give you more transparency with package prices. The third thing, activating your eSIM is relatively straightforward. After purchase, you just scan a QR code and your phone's good to go. However, some users report that setup isn't as seamless on all devices, especially older ones. Make sure your phone is eSIM compatible before committing. The fourth thing to consider is the data speed. While the Internet on the Go eSIM provides decent speeds, it's not always as fast as some other regional eSIM options. If you're someone who streams or works remotely, this could be a deal breaker. Now, the fifth thing, coverage. While the global reach is impressive, the service can sometimes be spotty in rural or remote areas. Compared to major mobile networks in specific regions, you might experience slower speeds or occasional drops in connectivity. Next up, let's talk about customer service. Internet on the Go does offer support, but don't expect instant responses. Compared to larger, well-established competitors, their customer service can be slower, which is something to keep in mind in case you run into issues. The seventh thing is flexibility. Internet on the Go offers short-term data packages, but if you're traveling for longer periods, you might find other services with better long-term plans that can save you more money in the long run. The eighth thing, be mindful of network restrictions. Some services, including the Internet on the Go eSIM, may not work on certain local networks. That's where competitors with local partnerships can sometimes offer better reliability and fewer restrictions. The ninth thing to mention is support for multiple devices. The eSIM supports only one device at a time. If you need multiple devices connected, you'll have to purchase additional eSIMs or data plans. 10th thing, when it comes to data packages, the flexibility is limited. Unlike some competitors, Internet on the Go doesn't offer customizable data options. If you need more data than what's offered, you might find yourself paying for packages that don't suit your needs. 11th thing, the eSIM works well for light data usage like browsing and texting, but if you're looking to use heavy apps like video streaming or gaming, you might find yourself disappointed. Some other providers cater better to high-demand users. The 12th and final thing is its value for money. While not the cheapest option, Internet on the Go provides reasonable pricing for travelers needing a global solution. However, if you want a more tailored, flexible, and better-priced option for extensive travel, our recommended solution might be a better fit. If you're okay with some of the limitations and just need basic connectivity, the Internet on the Go eSIM is a solid option. But if you're looking for a better deal and a more reliable experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.